So in terms of yung gaano pa kahaba ito, just yesterday, President Trump said that this could last, the military operation could last for
4 weeks.
4 weeks.
4 weeks ang timeline
And
nila.
he said a big wave is yet to come.
Yes.
So kung ganon, matagal pa ba? One more month? Should we really expect this to last for another month or more?
May mga scenario kaming ginawa, no, yung short term, medium term, and long term na scenario. Pag ganyan mga military operations, you're not sure if the United States is planning a bigger military operations in Iran. The problem is not only Iran, the problem is the surrounding neighbors. Ano magiging reaction ng mga Houthis sa Yemen, mga Hezbollah sa Lebanon, ng mga militia sa Syria and Iraq. So hindi lang kasi Iran ang magiging problema. So magkakaroon yan ng mga reactions from other armed groups sympathetic to the current regime in Iran. So if that happens, maybe the US plan in Iran might happen, but it will create regional instabilities. You know, the reactions of the region, because maybe the Ayatollahs can hide in one of these friendly countries, maybe in Lebanon, in Syria, or in Yemen. We don't know, but it will create maybe it will conclude the conventional military activities, but it will create a prolonged low intensity conflict.